Alright, so today I'm going to be talking about National Geographic's Birds Lite. This is a field guide app, and it lets you search by all different kinds of things. You can search by the bird's color, including whether they have streaks or spots, their size, the habitat that they were in. It has a whole bunch of different kinds of habitats in here. The month that you saw it in, so if you saw it in June, then you can just click that. Where you saw it, what region you saw it in, including most of Canada, and the abundance. So if it's a common bird that you're looking for, then you can just click on common, and it'll narrow it down to only the birds that are really common. You can also sort the birds that are in it by their first name or their last name, alphabetically, what families they're in, also alphabetically, or the way that you find them in a field guide. If you're looking for a specific bird, then you can do a search for it. For example, I'm going to do the purple martin. And for most birds, it has 2 pages worth of drawings of them. So you can just flip back and forth between those. And it also has the range map, where you'd be most likely to see them, and a map key for all the different colors and symbols and everything that they have on the maps. It also has the habitat that you'd probably find them in, and you can look at the overview of the bird, the appearance, and what birds they look similar to, and their behavior. You can also look at your list, and you can add a life list, and you can add birds and name your own list. And there's a quiz section, and it will quiz you on what the bird is. And it can also quiz you by the bird's song. There's also a section on general information about this app. Well, anyhow,